Before this video start, I have to say right from the beginning, you have been warned. I do not know if by applying what I reveal in this video to you will have consequences on your account. I know that many people have done it, and nothing have happened to them, including me. And I also suggest before doing this, please try to talk to everybody else you know so you will not have to use it at all. Or if you do, then it will be for just 1 or 2 new accounts. But if you have reached so far in this video, then I guess you really need help with referrals and Hamster Kombat. And if this is the case, you have made it to the right place. Now there are some sites that's going to be mentioned in this video. I will make sure to put a link in the description down below so you could use them right away. Well guys, let's begin. Honestly, are you tired of struggling to level up in Hamster Kombat? Imagine unlocking all the features, crushing daily combos, and watching your points soar through the roof. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to let you in on a secret that's going to change your game forever. Hey there, today, we're diving into the ultimate hack that'll flood your account with invitees and referrals. Trust me, this is the golden ticket you've been waiting for. Now I know what you're thinking. I've tried everything to get people to use my link, but nothing works. I hear you, and that's exactly why I'm here. Whether you're a newbie trying to unlock those first crucial features, or a seasoned player aiming for the big leagues, this trick is your new best friend. Let's face it, without those precious invites, you're missing out on a ton. Special cards, locked, daily combos, out of reach. Your point potential, barely scratched. But all that's about to change. Let's take a quick tour of what you're missing out on. Head over to the special section in your app. See that card with 2 chairs? It needs 1 friend invite. How about that USDT card? 3 invites required. And it doesn't stop there. Even regular cards like DA are asking for 4 friend invites. It's clear, without invites, you're playing with one hand tied behind your back. But don't worry, I've got your back. I'm going to walk you through a foolproof method that works like a charm, whether you're on your phone or desktop. And the best part? It's easier than you might think. For our Android users, we're going to harness the power of some nifty apps. Ever heard of multiple accounts or app cloner? These little gems are about to become your secret weapons. They're like having a magic wand that creates multiple versions of the same app on your phone. Pretty cool, huh? Here's how it works. Download multiple accounts from your app store. Once installed, open it up and look for Telegram in the list of apps. Select it, and voila. You can now clone Telegram as many times as you want. Each clone acts as a separate app, allowing you to create multiple Telegram accounts on one device. For the more tech-savvy among you, App Cloner offers even more advanced features. You can change your IP address and device fingerprint for each cloned app, adding an extra layer of uniqueness to each account. Don't worry, desktop users, I've got something special for you too. You can create multiple Telegram accounts right from your computer. It's a bit more involved, but I'll walk you through it step by step in just a moment. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The key to making this work? Different phone numbers for each account. Sounds tricky, right? Well, not anymore. Enter SMS activation services like SMS Activate or SMS Man. These services provide temporary phone numbers for verification purposes. Here's how they work. You pay a small fee, we're talking cents here, for each activation. SMS Man, for example, charges about 85 cents per activation, while SMS Activate costs around 3.75 rubles. The best part? You can choose which country you want your number to be from. It's like being an international Hamster Kombat superstar. Now, before you get too excited and start creating accounts left and right, I've got a pro tip for you, and it's just what I told you before moderation. Moderation is key. I recommend sticking to 10, 12 accounts max. Why? Well, creating too many might raise red flags and put your accounts at risk. We want to fly under the radar while maximizing our benefits. Once you've set up your accounts and invited yourself, clever, right? It's time to reap the rewards. Remember those locked special cards? They're all yours now. Those daily combos that seemed out of reach? They're your new best friends. Speaking of daily combos, don't forget to grab them for a whopping 5 million free points. It's like hitting the Hamster Kombat jackpot every single day. By now, you should be armed with everything you need to skyrocket your Hamster Kombat experience. We're talking unlocked features, special cards at your fingertips, and points that'll make your fellow players green with envy. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this method wisely, and you'll be dominating the Hamster Kombat leaderboards in no time. Ready to revolutionize your Hamster Kombat journey? Of course you are. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your game transform. And hey, if this guide helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep on combating, and may the hamster force be with you.